Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday morning, November 11th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of SPY IWM and Triple Qs. And it is Veterans Day. So before I start anything, first and foremost, I want to thank everybody who's ever served in the military. Thank you for keeping this country as great as it is and giving me and everybody else in here the opportunity to do what we want, especially having our freedom. So again, thank you very much. Now, because it's Veterans Day, the bond market's closed, banks are closed, so I'd expect even lower volume today. Yesterday, even with that move, we did below average. We had a wide range. We all had double distribution days. I wouldn't be surprised if we have an inside day today in SPY or ES. That's a possibility. If that does happen, then the odds of an inside week grow even more because right now we are inside last week's range. And those things would provide really good opportunities, I think, going forward, especially if we have the inside week. As sellers have attempted to wrestle some control away, as we are down in the daily for right now. So if we have the inside week, we see if we come out of it, take out this week's low, and get more of a flush down. And on the flip side, if we come out of an inside week to the upside, well, then maybe that's all the sellers wanted to do. I mean, haven't come off that much. Our high is 470.65. Yesterday's low is 460.204. So we've come off $8.50. Now, I did say $10 that I was looking for minimum, basically. So we haven't even gotten that, and we didn't get it in the fashion I expected to. So it remains to be seen, but I expect tremendous chop inside of yesterday's range with light volume. Just prepare yourself for that. Hopefully I'm wrong and we do get more. Right now, as far as the overnights, 465.67 is the overnight high. 463.27 is the overnight low. As you can see, even though the double distribution for SPY and ES starts at J and M's high to the low and H's low to the high, really where change took place yesterday was where? When we broke down below A. Look where we've been trading. Very light volume. Not even $250,000 yet. Look at that. I'm sorry, not $250,000. Not even $250,000. Yeah, $250,000. 250,000. I'm sorry. Look where we've been trading. Basically where change did take place yesterday initially. But right now we're taking back the trend day and attempting to trade in the upper distribution. Again, there's 75 minutes to go. Triple Qs doing the same. Now, again, I think they filled their single prints yesterday. So whether they did or not, again, they're inside of A's range. Russell, they only had the one set in I. For now, they're above and in their upper distribution, but far away from where change really took place, which was A's low. So what's the game plan? Well, I'll tell you what, like I said, tremendous chop on light volume. Horrible risk reward. If we do end up opening above H's low, well then I guess on a pullback, if you want to take a long against that to see if buyers want to stay in the upper distribution, you can do that. But any acceptance into M's range, especially below value low, again, I'm in 5-tick increments, 4-tick increments here. I'll have to see what value low is. I would certainly be out if we get below value again. Okay, value is huge. Right? They threw me a little curveball yesterday when we opened with lower value, went overlapping a lower, went unchanged. I really thought the buyers had taken control at that point and we're going to at least take out the IB high, but boy, did they throw a curveball and we ended back overlapping a lower. So it shows you how important value is. So if you get any acceptance below value low, I would be out of a long because then value will go overlapping to lower, and I would think then you have a chance to take out yesterday's low. So that's a call play if it was to get down there. Short play, again, I would imagine if we take out the overnight high, they might front run yesterday's high. We know how much trouble we have taking it out. Now, that's still $2 away. But again, that's something I think more importantly, to even have a chance for yesterday's high, we need acceptance back above the IB low from yesterday, which is A's low. Again, early plays this morning. And then quickly, again, I'll just show you the daily because tomorrow we recap all three of these indices charts top down. The daily is now down. The only way you're going to stop that for me is to take out yesterday's high. So if we have an inside day, again, you can call it balance, but I'd call it at least down to balance because we haven't taken out the previous day's high. But again, that all remains to be seen. I don't want to get ahead of myself. But right now, the daily is down. If we take out yesterday's low, we should go take out that poor low from the Fed day. And then below that, we have another daily low only, and then the weekly low would definitely come into play. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.